ProTinkerToys.com. This is Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. Now, we've had some customers, and don't forget to like and subscribe below so that we get more content, because we're more content viewing. Okay, so we have some customers saying, well, hey, you have some of these cars listed with different colors and like, for example, the Samurai. The Samurai comes in 3 different colors: orange, green, and red. Okay. Now, because these are a closeout, okay, and your prices are almost half of what they would normally be, I can't really guarantee you're going to get the color you request. Now, if you request a color, I will try to. If I have it, I'll send it to you. But because these are closeouts, I might be low on a green or an orange or a red. Okay, but I still have the cars. Okay, so when you place your order, send me a note quickly. Say, hey, if you have a red one, please send me the red one. Or send me what color you have, okay? Because they are Lexan bodies, okay? You can repaint them if you want, okay? Now, they're painted on the inside, so you would have to be painted on the outside. But these Samurais are really good cars. I mean, I have a guy that's buying them, 4 at a time. And I'm trying to get more of them. And if I get more of them, I think I'm going to just get red and green. Those are I do have a lot of people that buy orange too. But that's the same with all these cars. Like, this comes in black and blue. The Renegade comes in blue. Now, these right here, the Boris, they're all the same color. They're all the same body and everything. But all the Lexan bodies can be painted if you request or if you want to. Okay. People will do that themselves, is paint the whole body. But that's basically it. My son, he wants to overanalyze things, okay? And so just request what color you want. Don't forget, ProTinkerToys.com. Subscribe and like below. Thanks. Have a great day.